from the beginning of XYZ selling the ProtiTrack control fitted to their toolroom products, users have had the ability to check their program using the toolpath function. This gives us users an idea of where the tool has been programmed to go to machine the parts that they wish to machine. But since the development of the SX control with its Windows-based operating system, users have been able to utilise the Verify function, which uses 3D graphics. When you go into Verify, the first thing you should really do is define the size of stock material that you're going to machine your part from. This is normally done by using the bottom left hand corner for X and Y and the bottom position in Z, followed by the top right hand corner in X and Y and the top of the part in Z. Once these bottom left and top right corners have been defined, it's possible to make the part. When we select Verify Part, the machining takes place to show the operator the cutting that will actually occur. This allows them to check whether the tool has been told to retract away from the workpiece when moving between different positions and ensure that there's no scrappage of a part. From the RX control, because of its 15-inch touchscreen, that gives us an added ability that we can manipulate this 3D model when the program has been checked. So by using one finger on the screen, the part can be moved left and right and also up and down. By using two fingers, the part can be swiveled so you could look underneath if required to check whether holes or pockets have gone through the billet of material. And thirdly, by using the pinch function, you can zoom in or you can zoom out of the model that you've created. The part can also be viewed in different ways. By using the menu on the bottom of the screen, we can select a view from the XY view from the top of the part, the XZ view when viewed from the front of the machine, the YZ view when viewed from the right hand end of the machine, and finally the 3D view, which gives us that isometric projection. When the part is being verified, it's possible to speed up or slow down the graphics. By using the speed up button, you can make the speed go faster, or slow down reduces the speed of the verification so you can check what the machining tool are actually doing. Even stopping the program at that point so you could have a visual check by zooming in and looking back out again before going on and continuing on your program. If you'd like to know more about how Verify can help you produce your parts quicker, use the details on the screen to arrange a desktop demo at your facility or a visit to a showroom where you can see the range of machines fitted with the RX control.